In this quick guide, I'll show you how to zoom in on a video using Descript, perfect for adding emphasis or making your videos feel more dynamic. Start by opening Descript and creating a new project. Drag and drop your video file directly into the project window. Once the upload finishes, your clip will appear in the timeline, ready to edit. Click on the video clip to select it. On the right hand side, look for the clip inspector icon. It looks like a small wrench. Click it to open the inspector panel. This panel gives you control over how your video looks. Inside the clip inspector, go to the layout section. You'll see two fields labeled W for width and H for height. To zoom in, simply increase both values above 100%. This scales the video up, creating a zoom in effect. Make sure the link icon between W and H is turned on so the video stays proportional and doesn't stretch or distort. Once adjusted, your clip will now appear zoomed in exactly how you want it. That's it. You've successfully zoomed in using Descript. Play around with different values to find the perfect zoom for your project. Happy editing!